It's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,